Cannibal. Yeah. Shout out nigga Nazi. Look. Heard they looking for problems, they don't want that. I need some spit on my finger for me to thump stacks. Rubber band my resolve, look how I bounce back. He wasn't looking for smoke, but caught the contact. Buckets overdosing on a strong pack. We used to make all the wops out of a Pontiac, but now it's Dodge Chargers. Lay low, Dodge Chargers. If you tryna play the game, you gotta blow a cartridge. Be sure your aim is true and hit every target. Won't trade the Dusty Smith and West for a chrome Larkin. Kill a whale on a scale, fully grown orca. My career got a bubble like a witch's cauldron. Now I could only rise since I kept falling. Had to sign us a ringer, another scat calling. Young is quick on the draw, another sketch artist, another body in charge. Who is the best artist? I guess that's competitive nature. When you living in the jungle, it's hard to be great. Give me 1,000 fortunes, keep all of the fame shit. Certain the fam eating and stay out of the cages. Everyone got a season, we all go through phases. I tongue kiss death while you flirt with danger. Watch a punk get stretched if he violate us. Your celly beating the wall, scream my name on the range. Play this shit till you push-ups and dips. Escape from the viper's mouth, still calling the clinch. I'm killing a rapper faster than my father could split. Bloody scene, red bottoms, just a part of the trip. I could hustle from a handstand, front you a dead man. I ain't talking kush when I fire up your headband. School of hard knocks, niggas just an undergrad. Semi-automatic, gotta stutter like the Dutter Man.
Pure, unadulterated, man. Would you please shut the fuck up before you have a seizure? Yo, man, suck my dick.
Yo, straight out the gate, I'm rocking out with the cannibal. We hungry animals and you niggas sweeter than Danimals. Keep a butcher knife for the body parts I be carving out. Call my niggas souls and you hungry, I got some body parts. For us to eat, we hungry. For rappers, we pulling bones out. Turning up the oven to light the flame on the stove top. So many dead rappers is corpse, they body smelling right. So we gon' cook these niggas tonight and call it the melting pot. Fuck a Uzi Vert, niggas who make their booty jerk. Shoot him in the ass, blood leaking about their booty skirt. I catch a little pump, rob him, tell him to give it up. Sticking with the sawed-off shotty, this is my little pump. We kidnapping them, throwing them in the basement. Louisville slugger, we swinging, beating they face in. When it come to industry rappers, I am a racist. And all you niggas pussy, I'm treating you like a rapist.